Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting the core tension and center caps so you know what you're working with. This matters because uneven tension causes misalignment. Once done, loosen or tighten screws in small increments to equalize feel across axes and make a few deliberate wide turns to reveal which layer binds. You want to detect a pattern of resistance. That tells you whether pieces are caught or whether you need lubrication. Make sure to keep track of screw turns so you can return to your original balance. You now form a solved face by positioning 3 centers relative to each other. This establishes your reference. Once that face is set, insert corners and edges into the first layer using learned 3-cycle sequences. These move 3 pieces while keeping the rest intact. As you execute moves, pay attention to how the core shifts so you can counter-rotate and preserve alignment. This prevents accidental disassembly. If a piece resists, pause and reverse slightly. Then reapply the algorithm slowly to keep everything stable and predictable. You finish by completing last layer cycles. First orient corners, then permute the remaining pieces into place using parity-correcting sequences. This final stage locks the solve. Once solved, set screws to your preferred tension and apply a thin lubricant to internal tracks for smoother action and fewer future issues. If you encounter a pop or odd parity, stop and partially disassemble to inspect for broken tabs or misaligned pieces. Fix those, reassemble with correct orientation, and repeat the final sequences slowly to verify resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.